Officer Miller, you are so beautiful. Come to the room with me. We will do romance.
Oh my gosh, Paco! You're unbelievable!
Arrest me first.
For what?
Stealing your heart, baby.
Oh, no way! You got smooth moves, huh?
That needle could impale a dinosaur. I can see my ancestors in there.
It's really not that big, Billo. Just a quick poke. You'll be fine.
Quick poke. Looks like a sword with a plumbing license.
I promise. Little pinch, treat right after.
It better be 2 treats. And a hug.
Deal.
Do you treat broken hearts? Because mine just fell for you.
Oh my gosh. Polly, you did not just say that. You're too much.
Lady, you look like you own 3 cats and a secret.
Oh my god. Okay, wow, that is the best thing I've heard all week.
Sir, are you American citizen? I'm looking for a gorgeous American girl to get the citizenship.
What?
Gorgeous American girl.
Oh, man.
If you say she's ugly, I swear I'll boil you in the water.
Oh my God. Who taught you that? You're dangerous, Billo.
That bird's wild.
Grandma, how old are you?
I am 108 years old.
And you're still alive?
Oh, goodness, you little rascal.
You are the American dream, baby. This isn't a dating interview, ma'am.
Oh my, you rehearsed that, didn't you?
You didn't catch your own donut last week.
Oh, here we go.
Dropped it.
Splat!
I lost my grip, Ricky.
Clumsy cop!
You're never gonna let that go, huh?
Nope. I like sprinkles.
I'll get you one.
I'm small, but my love is big. Give me your heart.
Oh, buddy, you're killing me. You're such a charmer.
Let's use my charm for border crossings.
Ooh, that's good. You're gonna get me in trouble with lines like that.
Works every time, darling.
We'll see about that, Ricky.
I'll just sleep. I'll just sleep already. Those eyes are weapons. I can't think straight.
You're a smooth talker, Polly. You smell like cocoa and you're too quiet. You're all guilty.
Uh-oh.
Oh my.
You're unbelievable.
Mm-hmm. Guilty. All of you.
Oh, you're too living
You
chocolate.
need a partner, not a lawyer. I'll take you.
Don't touch my chocolate. Don't eat my chocolate.
All right, Billo.
Your stethoscope listens to hearts. Mine only listens to gossip.
Oh, come on. You're unbelievable, buddy. He's got jokes for days.
Order crackers for everyone. Vote yes or I'll pick your badge.
Oh, that's
Pick your
fantastic.
badge. Oh, Cody, will you marry me?
How can I marry you? You're a bird. I was just joking.
Arrest me. Arrest me for falling in love with you.
You're unbelievable.
Doctor, you heal everything except my love for you.
Oh my. Oh, Polly. I can't with you.
Your computer is slower than a turtle with a flat tire.
Oh, man. I think you just insulted half the department's budget.
better hold me.
Oh, buddy, you're gonna be just fine.
Grandma, you walk slower than my download speed.
Oh, Billy. You little rascal.
Doc, my heart is beating fast. Maybe it's you.
Oh my gosh, Polly! Smooth talker, huh? Let's check that heartbeat anyway. You're perfectly fine, little charmer.
Girl, don't look at me like that. I'll fall in love again.
You're impossible, Paco.
Vote yes or I'll pick your badge. How's what happened?
Oh my goodness, that is perfect. Good boy, Paco.
That needle's longer than my neck.